Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Hedera, aka Hbar. So sit back, relax, and before I fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys to please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely, and of course I always do greatly appreciate it. And if you do find any of the information in this video valuable, useful, or interesting in any sort of way, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to never miss a future update. So overall, today is the weekly candle close. Tomorrow is pretty much the day that I'm really kind of watching for. Might even do a live stream tomorrow if I do find the time, because of course tomorrow is the monthly candle close. So currently, yeah, I am watching Bitcoin. It's been a little bit of a slow grind up to like 38K. Hbar is, sort of on a little bit of a nice trip, but nothing too crazy. Like, it's still ranging around like 22 cents. So honestly, in terms of a lot of the altcoin movement in this market right now, like, nothing is really moving. It's more so of like a nice little chop zone, if you will. If we go to Hbar, we could pretty much see the volume here and really kind of address what's going on. So we went on a little bit of a trip yesterday, or pretty much earlier today, if you will. Almost hit 23 cents, nothing too crazy there. And then it was followed by, some sell-off pressure. Right now, volume is down 13%, as you guys do see on the screen. And overall, on the chart, we could pretty much also see that. We are in the red. We have diminishing volume. Volume has been diminishing since pretty much December 18th. We have not had good volume since then. RSI, still kind of sitting around this nice little 37, level. But in terms of alts right now, I'm not really sold on them. In complete honesty, I'm going to be real with you guys. I am expecting a little bit of some volatile price action on Bitcoin, maybe one last swoop of those lows. We are sitting at about 42% in terms of dominance. I'm just saying right now, if we have that swoop of the lows on Bitcoin. So let's actually real quick, let's take a look at Bitcoin. I've been watching closely. Let's actually go to the Coinbase chart. I'm pretty sure that that looks a little bit better for us anyways. So we have been reclaiming some levels, specifically this nice little 37.5K level, which I've talked to you guys about multiple times. The next major level I'm watching for is pretty much us to reclaim 39.5K, as that is pretty much the next major area of support that we had. But overall, it's a resistance level now, technically. So we need to break over that, hold above it, and pretty much 41 to 44K. This is pretty much the level that I want to be back into. That's a nice demand zone going back as far as those September lows anyways. But right now, what I'm looking at in terms of Bitcoin is where's the next major line for us to really kind of break through, find strength, and pretty much, say, all right, yeah, we're still bullish now. Well, overall, macro viewpoints, still very bullish on crypto. I just need a lot more strength in Bitcoin currently to be dead set on alts being bullish. Right now, I'm not really watching alts. I really, I stress that every single day. I'm not really watching altcoins right now. I'm watching Bitcoin because right now, this is not that strong of a move up. I mean, in terms of volume, we're still diminishing in terms of volume. RSI does not look too strong here. If we have a dropping point, maybe tomorrow, maybe the indices open a little bit red. Maybe tomorrow we have a nice, monthly close, but the opening is a little bit of a volatile ride. Maybe we come down and test this level, 35K. It would be pretty much a 2.8K drop currently, which technically we can get... hold on, we can get the percentage factor in. So here we have, this is pretty much an 8% drop to test this level. It's like 7.85%. Now, with the current dominance, a lot of altcoins will drop about like, roughly 10% to 12%. We could actually look at that real quick on Hbar. So imagine a 10 to 12% drop from our current levels. Where would that pretty much put us? Well, we could pretty much say that it will pretty much be overall test of the lows that we recently just made. It would be pretty much like 19 cents. I'm just saying, prepare for us to have one last, shot at these prices down here at about like 18.5 cents to like 20 cents. And I say that because, it would not surprise me if we had that one last drop. Of course, It's welcoming, it's not welcoming unless you prepared for both, sort of situations. Me personally, I always have some fiat on the sidelines in order to buy the dip if we do ever see it. And of course, I'm prepared for us to go off at any moment as well, but I do believe that this is going to range on just a little bit longer. But I do want to talk to you guys about some exciting things as well in terms of Hedera. So first off, we're going to be talking about Hashpack Wallet. So I talked to you guys about Hashpack. They're an incredible overall, wallet app technically, but it is, used for a lot more. It's used for dApps, NFTs, pretty much. We even see it over here, like MetaMask, except for your Hbar. But less than a week, and we've already had over 1 million Hbar in NFTs sales sent via secure trade. So this is showing me that one, the demand for Hbar NFTs are growing day by day. I just told you guys that I'm still continuing to build out my NFT project, Crypto Moonboys, but I also have a studio now that is focused on NFTs specifically. There's going to be a ton of Hbar NFTs that I'm going to be launching. Honestly, after using Hbar, aka Hedera, for my NFTs, I will not go anywhere else because it is so incredible. But also keep a close eye out on Hashpack because, their vision here is to build products and services which reduce friction and spark adoption of the Hedera network by institutional developers who's excited for Hash Connect. And they're continuing to build out these solid overall, developments in this app, and I'm very excited for this because I do believe that this could be the next generation of, for example, MetaMask. They're doing things incredibly well. We do see, this is actually, Hashgraph Punks. They just sold for 70,000 Hbar. So we're seeing massive growth and demand in the NFT sector for Hedera. And definitely keep a close eye on Hashpack Wallet. If you guys haven't used it already, you could pretty much use this on Hash Access as well. You can pretty much use it anywhere. Similar to Zact Wallet, this is going to be something that's pretty big. I think that this is going to overshadow a lot of those other wallet apps. So keep a close eye out on Hashpack. Now, I also want to show you guys some other updates within the Hedera scene. So we do see here breaking. Humans.ai announced that it's entering the United Arab Emirates market and partnering with Deca4. Deca4 advises startups, corporations, governments on the use of DLTs and blockchain. Deca4's partner network includes Hedera Hbar and the Hbar Foundation. The reason why this is significant is, well, because of the companies behind this. For example, right? Humans.ai. 45,000 followers. HeartDriven AI, helping humans create AI NFTs and run them as companies. This is actually pretty huge in terms of a use case, and we actually can come over to this website, really kind of see what's going on here. So HeartDriven AI. HeartDriven AI, helping humans create AI NFTs and run them as companies. And of course, you can pretty much see this. Chapter 1, raise AI humans, and then chapter 2 is health. I'm actually very excited for this use case overall. I'm excited to see what's going to be happening here, but we do see generate AI voices, create AI videos, understand media. I mean, there's so much within this. I think that this is going to be a very cool use case. I think in terms of the NFT scene and what's happening with the metaverse and stuff, I think that this could be a very interesting use case. So I'm actually excited for this company. Who knows if they are utilizing Hedera at any sort of moment here, but I'm just saying it wouldn't be a big surprise to me if they were using Hedera at all. Don't know if they are, cannot confirm that, but I think that this is going to be something very interesting. You can pretty much read all about their AI NFTs and stuff. It's very cool. I think that you guys should definitely look into this if you guys haven't already. But of course, this is an NFT. Create and run it. Of course, voice style, singing pattern, face, expression, speaking style, body. This is so cool. I think that this is so incredible in terms of a use case, but overall the design, everything from this looks great. And we do see here use, link it to your heart, proof of human, link it to apps, create apps on top of humans, and tokenize it. So this is going to unlock a massive amount of potential for NFTs. Like I said, the NFT market is growing day by day. We also seen Hbar Foundation partner with Reveal Tech. So Reveal Technology brings premier authentication solutions to the Hedera network. Speed, cost, enterprise solution leader. Best tech meets best DLT. And Reveal is actually, a fairly solid company. Fairly small, 4.4K followers, but again, it is still a fairly big company in terms of what they are really kind of focused on. We do see here we are pleased to announce that Reveal selected Hedera Hashgraph as our network protocol and partner. Here is why: proven track record, low transaction fees, enterprise solution, a lightning fast network, and consensus solution with 25 of the top Fortune 100 companies. And of course, Reveal is really kind of focused again on a lot of the digitization sort of scene. We do see here Reveal digital copyright protection and anti-counterfeit technology protects artists, creators, and owners of intellectual property across the digital spectrum and into the physical world. Definitely could see this really kind of leading into some metaverse and even NFT sort of use cases as well. So I'm actually pretty excited for this as well. And you can pretty much see everything behind this: protect, authenticate, and verify beyond the blockchain. Future-proof. Pretty much all focused on a lot of the things that we really kind of demand. We even see here authenticate and interact with digital assets and NFTs in the physical world. So this is really kind of going to be that bridge, if you will, between the physical and digital world, if you will. We see bridges being built in crypto all the time with traditional finance and decentralized finance, for an example, but we don't really see bridges built between the digital and physical world, especially in terms of NFTs. So I think that this is awesome. And you can pretty much read all about this if you guys want to. Again, do your own research and understand some of these huge companies that are pretty much working with Hedera, and we can pretty much see the problem and the solution here. It's really kind of just talking about NFTs, right? And given that authentication of, an original piece or, just ownership in general, pretty much Reveal is solving that. So very excited for this. And of course, here's the roadmap down here. You can pretty much see Q4 2021, we had that use case development. February 2022 is the IDO launch. And then, of course, from there, it just kind of sparks up a revolution in terms of use cases. We're actually seeing an NFT marketplace launch, platform launch, license launch, and of course, MN8 market launch and beta app, which is going to happen in 2023. So again, fairly strong overall project in my opinion. We can see their investment partners and even strategic partners as well. Very excited for Reveal. Definitely look into it if you guys haven't already. I think that a lot of these are going to spark a revolution in terms of the NFT sector, especially humans.ai. Like, this is going to be a cool use case. Again, don't know if this is going to be working with Hedera. We just know that Decaforce Partner Network includes Hedera. So who knows? This is going to be cool though. Even if humans.ai is not working with Hedera, again, this kind of just proves to me that we're going to see innovation in the NFT sector continuing to grow and grow and grow. And even when we're talking about NFTs, guys, focus on the bigger picture here. Hashpack Wallet is really kind of proving to you guys that, listen, NFTs on Hedera are growing day by day. We're seeing HGraph Punk selling for 70,000 Hbar. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, I honestly think that when we're talking about, some of these prices, like 70,000 Hbar might seem like it's not that much right now. It's like almost like $15,000. But think about it when like Hbar is at like $10 per. That's when things get really crazy. So overall, I think that we are very early in this, company. I think that we're very early in terms of the use cases as well. I'm very excited for the future. I'm not really focused on price right now. I know that there's been a lot of talks about like how this market or this bull run could pretty much lead us into like 2023 and stuff. I might do a breakdown on that tomorrow for you guys, talking to you guys specifically about that, because even Credible Crypto talks about this as well. There's a lot of individuals that are saying this market could stretch into 2023 in terms of a bull market, which is crazy to think about. But this year is different. Okay, this bull run is completely different than 2017, 2018, and 2013 and 2014. If you guys were here during those times, you'd obviously see it as well. This is extremely weird. It's a weird time to be in crypto, but it's probably the best time to be in crypto as well. And when we're talking about NFTs and the growing markets within crypto, DeFi, Metaverse, I'm just excited for the growth especially in 2022. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. It's been Nick. Peace out, guys.